Hello mga Kanensky, mag-breakfast tayo for today. Share ko lang yung breakfast ko for today. Breakfast and lunch na yun siguro guys. Ano tayong pan with cheese. Yan. Yan ang ano ko, brunch ko for today.
Then maglagay tayo ng konting meat. Yogurt. And my frozen blueberry.
Thanks for watching. Nens Kitchenette. Then meron tayong
Hindi siya coffee ang milk. Coffee and milk. Hindi tayo ng coffee ang gamit ko ito.